Hey guys, I'm back today with another makeup tutorial for you, and I'm very excited to use our new Motives Iconic palette. I'm going to use the first 5. Now, if you haven't seen this palette before, it does open up like an accordion, and it has a blush, a bronzer, and then 4 lip glosses to try, as well as the 8 eyeshadows. And the 8 eyeshadows are a mixture of shimmer and matte, so I really love that. We're going to do a day-friendly look, so I'm gonna stick with these top 4, possibly number 5 Star Power down here as well. Now, the shape that I'm gonna try out today is actually based on something called the golden ratio. And I don't know if you've heard about this in art. It has a scientific mathematical equation to it, and look it up if you haven't heard of this, the golden ratio. Now, I was going through some of my notes and I've been following some of Ray Morris's work. I don't know if you've heard of Ray Morris, legendary makeup artist, look them up as well. And Ray actually has a pocket companion that I've pulled up, and in it, and sorry, this is on the, it's an app on the phone, and in it, Ray talks about the eye, I think it's Phi, P-H-I, and it's the golden ratio. And it's funny because I've heard about this from other areas, photography and things like that, and Ray has created a look for the eye. So this is it right here, and if you want to read more, get Ray's app. It is just a very cool, handy tool. So I'm gonna go through a natural day look and kind of follow this eye shape and kind of talk you through what we're doing. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna use my brown sugar as an eye base, and I'm going to scoop it out. So I'm using our Motives brush. It is a synthetic brush line, so I'm just using the round cone because I like how it buffs it into my skin. This is not the intention for this brush, but hey, I like to do it this way. There. So that just creates the eye shape. And for anyone that's new to makeup, here you go. This is your look. You can put on mascara and literally just go like this because it has a stunning, nice brown color that I'm in love with. That's brown sugar from Motives Cosmetics. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take now I'm actually using our lip brush from the Motives set. But I like the shape of it and I like it for smudging. So I'm gonna use this for a little bit of eyeliner. So I am going to take my influencer color from the palette, dab a little bit on my brush. Now I'm taking the lowest part of my eye and I'm gonna bring it out. So it's going to bring the corner of my eye just down a little. So I'll show you how I do that. So going from the lowest part of the eye, out. And to explain a little bit more, this is kind of going for a almond shape eye, which is universally flattering. There we go. And again, I'm just smudging it at the very corners. Now, if you want to give your eyes a lift, this is where you extend it just a little bit further, which I definitely want to give my eyes a lift. So I'm just going to bring it up a bit here. And this just kind of creates a new end point for my eye. So then I'm gonna switch brushes. I'm gonna go to another cone-shaped brush, and I'm gonna go with the same color. And this time I'm going to find the top of my eye and bring it out to the side. And this is creating the upper eye. So I'm using the same color as I did on my bottom lid, just using a different brush. So now I'm going to apply an inner line from here to here with that same Influencer eyeshadow, just to complete the shape of my eye. There we go. I'm gonna go back to my round brush. I'm gonna dust it clean, and I'm going to go down to my Legend color and create my eyelid. It's also going to help smooth out the edges of the shape I've created. So I'm going to go now with my flat eye brush, and I'm going to take my, I think I will start with Mogul, so that's the very light shade here, and I'm just going to walk underneath my brow bone. I just like the brightness, I like the brightness that it gives my eye, which also gives it a little bit of an eye lift. Now I'm gonna go to Queen, and Queen is the shimmer color of these matte colors, and I'm going to walk it on the very inside of my eye. Voila, there we go. And I think I'm also going to, again, actually I'm using Legend, so I can, with this dome-shaped brush, I'm just going to gently dust out the bottom lid. There. And last, mascara, again using my Fiber Lush. Just going to coat my lashes, give them a bit of a lift, and this is of course a very thickening formula. There's one. And then if you do happen to get a little bit of mascara on your lids, it's very easy to blend it into your lash line to clean up. And voila, a nice natural eye day look a la Rae Morris. So I hope you've had fun. Check out some of my other videos where I do full face, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know anything else that you'd like to see. I will be doing more tutorials with this amazing iconic palette. I don't know if you can tell, but there was like no fallout under my eyes. So I absolutely love that. And they are pigmented. You can see it when I put it on. Just gonna take this brush and blend just a smidge at the top. But yeah, nice and pigmented and no fallout, so awesome. Great for travel, and yeah, have fun with it. Let me know your thoughts. Bye.